Thank you very much, thank you. By the way, did you ever drink poteen? You did? Well, for those of you who didn't, it's a legal Irish booze. And Maeve is going to sing a song all about it now. It's called Mountain Tay.
Keep your eyes well peeled today. The tall, tall men are on their way, searching for the Mountain Tay in the hills of Connamara.
Gather up the pots and the oat tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like a devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from raising barley.
Mountain breezes whisper low, hear their echo in the glens below. The old goblins are on the go in the hills of Connamara.
Gather up the pots and the oat tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like a devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from raising barley.
A gallon for the butcher, a quart for Tom, a bottle for poor old Father John, to help the poor old dear along in the hills of Connamara.
Gather up the pots and the oat tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like a devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from raising barley.
Swing to the left and swing to the right, the excise men will dance all night, drinking up the tay to the broad daylight in the hills of Connamara.
Gather up the pots and the oat tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like a devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from raising barley.
Stand your ground, it is too late, the excise men are at the gate. Glory be to Paddy for the drinking it late in the hills of Connamara.
Gather up the pots and the oat tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like a devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from raising barley. Gather up the pots and the oat tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like a devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from raising barley.